Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's video, Hannah is going to be showing you 5 cute and easy nail art designs that can all be created just by using a toothpick. You guys loved her last video on this, so she decided to create 5 more designs for you guys that only use a toothpick. Hit that like button if you'd like to see more nail designs that you can create just by using items that you can find around your house.
Hi, it's Hannah. Using a toothpick is a great alternative for a dotting tool or brush, so let's get started on these designs. First, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. So the first design is an easy tie-dye. I'll be using a white, pink, and yellow polish with white as the base color. Right after you apply the second coat, apply the pink polish across the nail while the white polish is still wet. Do the same with the yellow, then take the toothpick and carefully drag the polish down the nail. And now apply the white polish to fill in the scratch marks. Next up will be some cute palm trees using white, brown, and light green polish with the white as the base color. Use the toothpick and brown polish to apply small curved lines for the tree trunk. With the light green, draw palm leaves coming from the top of each trunk. I also decided to add in a couple more trees to fill in the space. The third design is for a watermelon using light green, pink, and black polish with the light green as the base color. Now apply the pink polish to the nail so that it's a reverse French, leaving enough space to see the green. Use a toothpick to apply 3 black dots to the pink area. Now create a point for each dot to make sort of an upside down teardrop shape for the seeds. The next design will be simple and chic metallic dots. I'll be using a dark green and bronze polish with the green as the base color. Take the bronze polish and toothpick and apply a large dot near the cuticle. Apply another slightly smaller dot above it, and again with the smallest dot. For the last design, I'll be showing you a cute floral look. I'm using blue, white, and red polish with the blue as the base color. With the toothpick, apply 4 white dots to form the flower. Do this down the middle of the nail. Now apply a red dot in the middle of each flower. Finally, apply a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out more videos on CutePolish here or here, and don't forget to subscribe right here. And if you'd like to check out my personal channel, click the link below. Thanks for watching. Bye!